until you find your way back home.
I don't know what, I don't know what that is, isn't it? Anyway, that's what it looks like without the bumper. If you haven't, you've probably seen the other video already. Wonder if you need to end it. Busy painting the calipers now too. Trying to get the caliper off first. Graving that off and then we're going to paint this side here now. Painting the calipers. Painting them blue. Getting it all done before that show next week. I'm trying to get it all done. Try and do the back wheels as well. Those tiny things there. Cars on jacks. Busy finish up the bumper. Getting there. White as well, you can't see shit. Getting there, sitting here at the moment.
Watching paint dry.
Holy shit! Oh fuck! Huh? No, we're busy working on it. So it's like, what's the time now? 12 o'clock? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's been 4 hours later. Looks the same, man. Because the camera doesn't do it justice.
Coming back. So now it's not like talking about. When we finish today, we do back panel.
The bumper now, it's just been primed. I didn't take video of that though. It's flipping late, 2 o'clock on Friday morning. If I can work tomorrow at like, what's it, 9 o'clock, so I must go home and sleep now. Yeah, that was fun.